Guys, welcome back to Top Shelf Toys from VTech. This is the Spin and Learn Top. This is a fun little baby toy. It looks like ages 9 to 36 months. But what's cool is you press the top of this thing. It spins, has little beads inside, has of course buttons and lights up. And then all these little animals. You got a dolphin, an octopus, a crab, and a turtle. Super fun for babies. Teaches them music, hand-eye coordination, all the good stuff. But yeah, fun little toy from VTech. That's the Spin and Learn Top.